Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And as I said this summer, that I'm going to do a lot of smoothies. And this one, it's an anti-inflammatory smoothie. This smoothie calls for 1 apple, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger, half a cup of water, half a cup of spinach, 2 sticks of celery, half a cucumber. I'm going to take all of those ingredients and I'm going to blend them in the blender. Let's go ahead and let's do this. Okay, so everything is in the blender. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this for a minute. Okay, so we're all done. This looks so green. It's greenish. So like I always do, I encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.